Restaurant manager manages the daily operations of a specific restaurant within the hotel. Supervises restaurant staff, including servers, hosts, and bartenders. Ensure high-quality food and service standards. Handles reservations and guest seating arrangement. Monitors revenue and control costs for the restaurant. Trains staff on menu knowledge and service etiquette. Bar manager oversees operations in the hotel's bar or lounge area, ensuring excellent beverage services. Manages bartenders and barback, develops and updates the beverage menu, including cocktails, wines, and other drinks, ensures compliance with liquor law and safety protocols, monitors inventory, ordering, and stock level for the bar, organizes promotional events and/or theme nights.